So Fiat 500, it's got a ESP fault. It's been in another garage. It's already had a brake switch replaced. Brake lights and all that are working. There's no reverse lights on it, and the tailgate's not opening. Maybe two separate faults, but this is a really common issue with Fiat 500s. If you have a look in here, you'll see all the wirings all busted in there. It's really bad, like, look at that. So, and I've not even got the boot right back yet, so we'll need to fix this first and hope that it sorts the rest of our issues, because they're all shorting together. There's another bit of sheath in there actually that's broken, see it? So this is typical. I had a Fiat Stilo which lasted about 3 years, and then this is what the wiring started doing. Not specific to this bit, just everywhere. So so Fiat 500s, we'll see if we can fix this, and then we'll see about the reverse lights. Right, sorted, that's that. Found then. Hello. So, welcome back. Please, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, all free. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. We're everywhere, we're all over the place, really, to be honest with you. So anyway, back to the 500. Come in for an ESP like Hull Start Assist. This is quite a common thing, right? I've not seen this one yet. So anyway, we looked at it for our garage. We've already showed you where the wiring was. We've repaired all the wiring. Then what we found was still not working, tailgate still not working, and the ESP fault was still there. It was still active, it wouldn't clear. So bad wiring. We're going to use the noggin. Bad wiring, shorts, check the fuses. So we'd already checked the fuses for the lamps and stuff like that under the bonnet. So, and you can see the reverse light's now working as well. So the vehicle now has reverse, unfortunately, but reverse lights are working, sorry, and the ESP fault. If we come back to the dash, you can see the ESP light was lit up constantly. It would not go away. It would not go away. So now we can see that it's basically fixed out. No codes on it, the autel. So that's all good. So there you go. So if you have this issue and you've changed your brake lamp switch and you still don't have any, well, the brake lights were working on this car, but you still have the ESP fault, basically Hull Start Assist, a Hull hold basically to help you get off the hill on your clutch biting point. So then we've repaired the wiring, we've in and we've checked the fuse. I think this one, come over to the computer actually. If you come over to the computer, the data will tell us actually, so we'll get this cracked open. So it was a 7.5 amp fuse. So it was a 7.5. So 7.5, it was brown one, so it was that one, number 10. There you go, brake light switch, clutch switch. I don't actually see a clutch switch on that car, to be honest with you. Radio was all working, Bluetooth control unit, so climate control seemed to be working. The only thing we had was a brake light switch. So there you go, 7.5 amp fuse in the glove box. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel, all free. Just let YouTube know that you like this kind of content. Thank you for watching.